We have seen CRUD using Mongo Booster. The next one in our list was MongoView, but we'll be using a different tool this time that's called NoSQL Manager. It has many features like MongoView. So we are not going to see this one. We'll be using a different software called NoSQL Manager. This decision is made because, as you can see, the downloads page of MongoView, there are no updates after 2014. This is the MongoView software installed in my system. If you click the about, you can see the build date is on 2014. So there are no latest releases. So a decision to shift to NoSQL Manager is made, where the latest release is on July 18th, 2016. This has many features, and more importantly, it has two key features, that is IntelliSense, and the second one is import from external database, which was one of the good feature of MongoView, whereas NoSQL Manager has also got the same feature. In addition to that, it has a good IntelliSense support. So NoSQL Manager. This is the NoSQL Manager software. Back to our presentation. So our fourth tool in our list is going to be NoSQL Manager. These are the demonstrations we have to see using NoSQL Manager, that is to connect to Mongo server, create a database, create collection under the database, and then the CRUD operation. So this is NoSQL Manager. You can click connect like this. You can specify the host and port, and it will connect to you the local host. These are the list of available databases. So the first step is to create a new database. Right click here, and then let us give a demo NoSQL DB. So this is going to be our demonstration database. Under this, we have to create a collection. By default, a dummy collection is created. We don't need that. Let me create a new collection, that is products. You have three different options. Either you can go for a capped collection where the size is limited, or auto indexed. This is default, so I'll be going with that one. So that's done. The next step is to do the CRUD operation. So right click here, click open products collection. Under data, you can directly add a document like this, or you can go for the shell. I prefer shell, so I'm going to use that one. So right click here, select shell. So you'll be landing on this window. To insert a document, db.products is our collection. Just see the IntelliSense, it's very useful feature. Insert. It's going to be the name of the product, Vivo Smart. The price is $199. Return. I'm going to do a few more inserts. Xbox, yes. Price is $299. Then we got the Fire TV. Price is $99. Then we got the Casio Wave Scepter model, which is around $60. All are inserted. Let us check the same. So we got 4 different records. You can shift to the view here. You can go for table view like this, which gives you a lot of clarity, or you can go for the text view. I mean the JSON view. So tree view, table view, text view. The next in our list is to do a find. That's very easy. db.products.find. Done. So if you want to filter a particular result, you can do this one. The name is Fire TV. Next in our list is to do a update. The db.products.update. The filter is price is 199. I'm going to change the price to $190 set. $190. So matched one. Let me cross check here. 190. Change is applied. Next one is to remove the document. Product.remove. Oops. Where the price is going to be 190. Let me check here. That's gone. So this is how the CRUD operation is done using NoSQL Manager. The next one in our list is to do a copy collection, copy document, export collection, drop database. So to do a copy collection, right click on the collection name. You can duplicate the collection. So it will be in the same database like this. Or you can copy to a different database by right clicking, click copy products in the context menu. To drop this one, right click here, click delete products collection. So this is going to take out the collection. Collection is gone. To export the collection, right click here, click export collection data. You get 4 different varieties of output. Export to Excel 2007 is a new one which we haven't seen in the other tools. So you can use this one to export the data. The next in our list is to do a copy document. That's very easy. Right click here, do a copy document to clipboard, and then you can do an insert here. Products.insert. Got inserted. This is a new one we inserted. So this is how we can do a copy document. We have seen about export collection, drop collection. We just need to do a drop database and disconnect from the server. So that's easy. Right click here, delete the database. Database is gone. Then right click, disconnect. We are disconnected from the local server. One of the cool feature of NoSQL Manager is that it can import data from MySQL and Microsoft SQL Server. That can be easily done. For instance, select a collection, go to the tools menu, import data from external database. This is going to present you with 2 options. Either you can select MS SQL Server or MySQL. With this, we have finished the demo using NoSQL Manager. So we have seen all in our list.